Welcome to Let's Know. Today we will see famous battles of India. India has a long history and many battles have taken place throughout its history. First we will see Kurukshetra war. In Kurukshetra, a lot of swords, weaponaries have been evacuated from the soil every day, showing that a large battle took place here 2500 years ago. According to mythology, the Mahabharat war took place in the Kurukshetra, and many people think that these were the weapons of Mahabharat war. Mahabharat was a Hindu epic which showed the confrontation between Pandavas and Kauravas, but some historians think that this was the war of Aryan invasion. Now we will know about Kalinga war. Kalinga War took place in 256 BC in the Kalinga region, modern day Odisha. During this time, Ashoka was the ruler of Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire had almost controlled all of India except Tamil kingdoms, Assam and Kalinga. Tamil kingdoms and Assam agreed to make a friendship with Mauryan Empire, but Kalinga did not. During this time, the ruler of Kalinga was Mahapadmananda. This led to a war between the Mauryan Empire and Kalinga kingdom. These wars were highly devastating, and after that Ashoka gave up war and chose the way of peace. Now we will know about first battle of Panipat. The first battle of Panipat took place in 15th century in modern day Haryana. Babur was the ruler of the Mughal Empire. He had established his control in Kabul and wanted to gain control over Delhi, and he fought against the Delhi Sultan Ibrahim Lodi. Delhi Sultan had a large number of soldiers as compared to the Mughal Empire. But Mughal Empire was able to win this war because they had advanced weapons like cannons. After this war, Mughal Empire gained control over Delhi and Agra and established themselves in India. Now we will talk about second battle of Panipat. After the death of Babur, Humayun became the ruler of Mughal Empire. He was not so capable, and Sher Shah Suri established Suri Empire and evacuated Mughals from India. After that, his son became the ruler. After the death of his son, his minister Hemu became the ruler of Suri Empire. The son of Humayun, Akbar, wanted to gain control back over India. Thus, he led a war against Hemu in Panipat. Again, the Mughal Empire won this war and re-established their control over India. This battle took place in 16th century. Now, we will talk about third battle of Panipat. Maratha Empire was flourishing from the 17th century and now controlled much of the western and central part of India. It also gained control over Delhi under the leader Sadashiv Bhaurao. But the Afghans of Durrani tried to control over Delhi. This led to the third battle of Panipat in 18th century. Due to a large army, the Durrani Empire won and gained control over Delhi for a short time. Now we'll talk about Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey was the first war between Britishers and an Indian ruler. The British East India Company wanted proper control over the Kolkata region so that they could do business easier in this region. During this time, the Governor General of East India Company was Robert Clive, but the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaulah, was not agreeing. So, tensions rised among the Nawab of Bengal and the English East India Company and led to the Battle of Plassey. The Britishers won this war and gained control over the Bengal and Bihar regions. Now we will talk about Battle of Imphal. The Battle of Imphal was the first battle of World War II that took place in India. During this time, Burma and India were under the control of Britishers. But in World War II, Japanese gained control over the Burma region. Now they tried to invade India to the northeast parts, and this led to the Battle of Imphal. but Britishers won and evacuated Japanese from India. Now we will talk about Indo-Pak Wars. Indo-Pak Wars means the war that took place between India and Pakistan. After independence, there were many kingdoms that were still independent and were deciding to join either India or Pakistan. One such kingdom was Jammu and Kashmir. The king of Jammu and Kashmir wanted to join India, whereas Pakistan wanted Jammu and Kashmir to be the part of Pakistan. So, Pakistan invaded Jammu and Kashmir. But the king of Jammu and Kashmir asked India for help, and this led to the first war after independence in India in 1949. Another war took place in 1962 in the Kashmir region of India. Later on, in 1971, the Bangladeshi people wanted independence from Pakistan and India helped them. This led to another war between India and Pakistan. Again, in 1999, Pakistan tried to gain control over Kargil but was unsuccessful. All wars in Indo-Pak Wars were won by India. Till date, almost 200 known battles have took place in India. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, then please subscribe to this channel.